Hello and welcome back to the Yak Chat channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to add a contact in Yak Chat. It's quick, easy, and there are a few different ways to do it. So let's get started. First, open the Yak Chat app. From the drop-down menu at the top, select Contacts to go to your contact lists. To add a personal contact, click on the Personal tab, then hit Add Contact. A new contact form will appear on the right-hand side. Now just fill in the details. At a minimum, make sure to include the first name and phone number. To help keep things organised, you can also add tags. Click Add Tag, then check the boxes for any tags you want to apply. Once everything looks good, click Save, and your new contact will be added. Next, let's add a shared contact. Select the Shared tab and click Add Contact. Fill out the contact's details. Add any tags you'd like, and then choose the inbox you want to share the contact with using the drop-down menu. You can also choose whether others in the inbox can edit the contact or just view it. When you're ready, click Save. To add a company contact, select the Company tab and click Add Contact. Enter the contact information. Add relevant tags. And, just like with shared contacts, choose if this contact should be editable by others in your organisation or view only. Once that's set, click Save, and the contact will be added to your company list. Now, let's say you're chatting with someone and want to save them as a contact directly from the conversation. Here's how. Go back to the Chat section using the drop-down menu and open the chat with the number you want to save. You've got two options. 1. Click the contact info icon in the top right corner of the chat window, then choose Create Contact. Or 2. Click the three dots next to the chat preview and select Add Contact. Just fill in the contact details as before. Hit Save, and you're all set. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss any future Yak Chat tips and tutorials. See you next time.